Hi everyone, this is Roobil, BIM trainer at Elegant Training Center, Dubai. In today's quick video, I'll be showing you how to bring your Revit model into D5 Render and turn into a stunning realistic visualization in just a few steps. This is just a short demonstration to give you an idea of how fast and powerful D5 Render can be when working with the Revit models. If you like to learn professional workflow for the Revit, Enscape and D5 Render, join our full BIM Revit course at Elegant Training Center, Dubai. Let's get started. So this is the Revit model which I am going to import into the D5 to make it look like more realistic. You can download the D5 exporter from the D5 website, and you can download this D5 sync for Revit for free. And once you install this plugin, it will be appear in the Revit as a tab, so you can go to the D5 render and you can start syncing your model. So now the D5 render will be opening. Okay, so once the model is loaded, there will be the default terrain for the D5 render. So I need to turn that off. So to turn that off, you can go to the left side to the scene list, and where you can find the default terrain. So you can turn off. Whatever materials you applied in the Revit, the same thing it will apply here also, and you can replace that with the D5 materials. To replace with the material, so I can go to asset and you can go to the material. So if you want any 3D model, then you can go to the models. So just now I go to the materials, and from here I can find here the water. And if you are using the free version, then you can filter by using only the free materials, and you can select which material you need. And if you select your material, and you can apply it over there. So now the D5 materials is applied here, and you can control the settings of the materials you applied on the right side. So here you can see the inspector. So from here you can control the flow velocity, and you can control the depth. And you can start placing some of the vegetations to make it more realistic. So in that case, you can go to the models and you can find the nature. So under the nature, so we have several categories here. So if we need like the palms, you can select the palms. So to set up the final rendering, you can go to this image and you can choose a resolution of your image, and you can control the sunlight. Now see, this is the final rendering create.